Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Bongs. I hope unikahle niyaphila emakhaya. Cela ke ningakhohlwa ukungisiza ngento yodwa ngokuthi like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Danko. I have good news of which I think ukuthi is going to be a huge boost for Kaizer Chiefs. Having players like Yabo Kivele Msimango, Paseka Mako being reported ukuthi they are training now with the team. Into sayilwelwa manje is for them to get to that fitness level that is required, and then they'll start making it back to the match day squad. So obviously you know very well Gutu Kevin Msimanga had a long injury that kept him on the sidelines, but now it seems like Guti he has fully recovered. The only thing that is left now Guti afike ku full fitness and then ziyabuyela ngale. So it is good ukuthi competition iya ngokuya iyanyukela, because sibonile ukuthi Zitha Kunika is one of our best defenders this season. He got a chance and he made sure that he grabbed the opportunity with both hands. He made sure that he always delivers. One thing I like about Zitha Kunika is that he's calm, he's cool, and he's collected. He doesn't rush any decisions. It's all about him reading the situation so that he can get an idea which was the best solution for that problem. So it was worrying to see him not starting the game versus Durban City, whereby we saw Miguel Guti. He came back after it was declared to Guti he wasn't match fit, but uyabuya sekayangena or replace uZitha Kunika. uZitha Kunika that has been doing well for the past 4 games, but now uyabekwa ngaphandle. So lento lena ibuye seyisibeka esithomeni sokuthi is it maybe mhlambe kuya ngama contracts these players sign, or it's a favoritism from the coaches, or there was something that happened that we don't know about? Because into emele siyifake emqondweni iyodwa ukuthi if there's a favoritism, it simply means ukuthi the players that work hard so that they can get a chance ukuthi badlale regularly, umsebenzi wabo is being overlooked because uZitha Kunika wasn't supposed to be benched. Instead bekumele yena uMiguel ahlale ebhanchini. But the good thing is that he got in and he had a good game because he got the most and a high rating above all the players of Kaizer Chiefs. So that was good to see ukuthi okay, he saw ukuthi okay, as I'm replacing uZitha Kunika, the best thing I can do is to make sure that I have a good performance, because he was a rock solid lapha at the back. Even though we know him ukuthi he collects a look at for a living, even unnecessary. He's one of the players ngasho ukuthi good Chiefs a legend in the making. You come from an injury, you get to play, after that you won't play again because of the number of yellow cards that you have accumulated. So for Miguel, when he plays as a right center back, Ziyakhala, I don't know ukuthi what causes him ukuthi abe reckless kuma challenges, and also in terms of conduct yakhe in the field, because amanye ama yellow cards are unnecessary, because we can't afford ukuthi sithola amakhadi anje. We can't afford ama suspensions, especially if we see ukuthi our team it is struggling with the consistent. But the best thing for ukuthi let's try to become so that it becomes easy for us ukuthi squads ukuthi we're gonna tackle every match as it comes, take each game one step at a time, make sure ukuthi we are fighting, because we see ukuthi kule position esihleli kuyo many people wouldn't have predicted ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingazithola laphana. But just imagine ukuthi in 10 games we managed to lose only 1 game against Isikhukhune. That was an eye opener for us ukuthi no, kahle if we become complacent and think ukuthi we have all figured out now, sizoba senkingeni. That's why ukuthi manje we see ukuthi we have to make sure ukuthi every game that comes we're gonna take it as if it is our last game. we must try to get the maximum points because that gives us a belief. But if we're gonna have players that are conducting themselves like that, it becomes difficult because Miguel is a good defender, but we know ukuthi one in the men's ukuthi amoshekelelwe ilokho. So there's uKunika, there's uMiguel, there's uMsimang. Now, so what will the coaches here decide who's going to be a starter? Because I, for one, I know for a fact that the player that is going to be sacrificed was Zita Kunika. Even though he's playing his part, he's making sure that he's solid at the back. But we know very well that Miguel will always have an edge over him. Now we're gonna have Umsimang coming back. So simply means good to Ukunika from being a first choice to being a dead choice because of the return of Umsimang. So how fair can that be to Uzito Kunika, especially after giving us those performances? But this thing is not an emotional thing whereby we have to we are not using logic when we are reasoning. But I just wanted to make sense because how come? We know good left center back he was doing good to Miguel because of the absence of Udodli and Umakati while he wasn't up to that level that he started with. But manje ubuyile uMakati instead ukuthi ahlale ebenchini manje uMiguel sacrifice uKunika. How fair is that? Because it even leads me to my to another issue ukuthi we have three strikers now. We have Ighodaro, we have Umayo, we have Usilva. Usilva scored kule game lena esiyidlalile against iDurban City. Going to the next game versus Orbit College, the coaches bazoselecta kanjani njoba noMayo naye ezobe seka right. Bo selecta kanjani? Ighodaro uzoqala uSilva uzoqala or bazobaphera boyi2 lapha. So is it now ukuthi scheme usithola based on merit or is because when you are the coach's favorite? Because at kwamanye games you can see ukuthi a player like Ulilepo, yes, Ulilepo can give us a lot, but recently is not giving us anything concrete that you can point ukuthi he's scoring, he's assisting. But he will constantly play ahead of other players, and that alone simply tells us good to know our coaches, they are not using a fairness when it comes to a match day squad, because other players now they want to be selected so that they can show good, okay, this is what I can offer. But if there's always a player that is playing but is not giving you anything, and you can see good from by the way that he plays good, at some point he's predictable because Ulilepo is always hugging the touchline. At some point you understand good it is a tactical move, but kwamanye games is not tactical, it's just in your good to so as hakeli touchline lapha. But you have to understand good, if you select a starting 11, let it be on merit, because you are discouraging the guys that are working hard so that they can get an opportunity to play. So we are going to play against the Orbit College. Who is going to start? Between Ukunika, between Usilva, between Ukunika, Miguel, between Usilva, Ighodaro, and Ukhanyisa Mayo. Because Usilva played 4 games, has 3 goals. Ighodaro played how many games? Played 3 games, has 1 goal. Including Umayo, I think Umayo and played 3 or 4 games if not mistaken, una 1 goal. So kulaba by 3, who is going to be your target man? Because we saw good the quality of Usilva, good aerial he's good, and the position yake is good. And that's why others are complaining with he's a cow, he doesn't know how to link up play. You can't expect to see the same attributes that you see from Ighodaro, expect them to see them go Silva. You can't expect the quality, the attributes you see from Silva and expect to see them go Ighodaro, because they are different kind of players. But what they need to do is to offer Kaizer Chiefs what give them the goals that they need in order for the team to win. But manje, if ever there's going to be favoritism, yeah, zizokhala. Hopefully ukuthi the game you're going to play versus Orbit, we're gonna win it. Nayo siqhubeke nje ukuthi let's take each game at a time, collect the points. Just nje don't put ourselves with pressure ukuthi we are challenging for the league, but let's allow things nje to move freely without any expectations, but hopeful ukuthi isikhathi maloku sihamba we get the points. That's when ke nathi will realize ukuthi no, kahle kahle we are capable ukuthi singa challenge for the league, but for now let's fight ukuthi sihlale ku top 4 or top 5, because I think that's where we belong, especially after the showing that we showed this season, the kind of games that we played, the ones that we were not supposed ukuthi swat draw. So it shows ukuthi now we do have a way of playing, we do have an identity. It's just in ukuthi let's not expect things that we know we cannot get, but the best thing is to have that mandate with let's win every game, because that creates a winning mentality. But even when you draw, when you lose, kuba buhlungu. But if now when already you've made your mind ukuthi no, Kaizer Chiefs is challenging for the league, I just know ukuthi I was sinking in, because ingakuphoxa nje noma kunini Kaizer Chiefs.